This weekend we went to the Tampa Train Show and I found something there that I was looking for a long time. So let's see what that is. I'm Tom Kovichak and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. And what did I find at the Tampa Train Show? The crossing gates that I've been looking for so I could do the demonstration on the servos for Arduino. So finally I got them. It was a little mom and pop operation that had one table way at the end of one aisle. They had everything NJ International in every scale that you can imagine. I was a happy camper when I saw this. Yeah. So I can get going on that. And I'm a glutton for punishment because I also got these three boxcars right here. All AccuRail. For about, well, it shows $17.98, but they were 40% off, so it was about 10 and some change. So I got three of them, two Norfolk and Western, one NYS and W. So that'll give me something to do, along with about 20 other pieces of rolling stock that I have to assemble yet in my collection. But today I'm going to show you some of the layouts that they have there. The highlight of every time that we go there is the Greater Florida Lego Users Group layout that they have, and they had it set up really big this time. And some LGB and some O-scale. So that's the three that we're going to do today. And in another video I have a lot of footage from Orlando N-Track. So let's get going with this right now. Okay, we made it to the train show in Tampa on December 15th. Let's see if I can get a big shot of everything here. Okay. We got 7-Eleven, CVS, McDonald's. We got the Tropicana oranges. Hey, are you at the doctor still, or are you at home, or? No, that's fine. I just wanted to put it home. Here's the Legos. There's a Lego roller coaster. All right.
it goes up. Look at it. It goes cars up to the top. Where you're at the border. Different seasonal summertime, Diane, wintertime here in the snow. Houston, East Texas is like horrible. Amarillo, we got some wind. We're expecting rain. We're expecting rain. It's snow.
Had it on. Okay. We got a pretty big one today. I haven't even been on the other side of this. Man. To see more of the LEGO display and some of the trains that I missed, check out TolgaEastCoast. I have a link to his video in the description. They're going a little bit slower this year. Got the smoke going now.
Yeah.
All right.
It kind of gets cold this time of year up in, say, upper Michigan, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
It makes for a real good video, too.
Yeah, there you go.
I've been in a number of places in the state of Florida and seen a number of layouts, but nothing that had smoke coming out of the buildings like what this one has.
Right. You got smoke coming out almost all of them, huh?
Out of 54 buildings, 51 of them.
51. Okay. All right.
And one building has 3, and I have several buildings that have 2 chimneys.
Oh, wow.
Even the fire station down there.
Oh, okay. All right, I see.
Yeah, if you hold that puppy up high,
Yeah.
you can get a really good downward picture of it.
Yeah, I see. Lionel stuff, huh? Everybody got Lionel.
No.
Oh, they finally got this one running now. Okay, here we go. Little squeaky. This would fill up our living room. Lionel. Everywhere. Holy moly. Lionel dispatching station. We got some LGB here. We got some all kind of scales here. NHO.
$3 a section, and the big long ones are okay. These are used. These are 3 versus 5. Yep.
More stuff, huh? We got some S-scale here. All right, right next to the S-scale layout. A lot of the prices are high here. Oh, this is it, Mix. I recognize this.
I recognize it now.
Uh-huh.
Hey, baby.
Hey, look at the shopping cart.
I like that. I've been taking pictures. I mean videos.
Good deal.
I love the chocolate cart.
Guys over at Yankee Dabbler, and they got the same thing that they had at the other show.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know anything new.
They had a big old dog in here. I said, I wish I brought Sadie. That time we know to bring her.
And don't forget, we got Orlando N-Track coming up in another video, and what I like about that club is they were letting the kids operate the trains and showing them how to do it while they had the display out there. So keep an eye out for that. It's coming up this week. So until the next time, we'll see you.